Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel on this 2010 Honda Pilot. The reason I'm doing that is because I'm fixing this armrest. I already have a video showing you how to do that, so check it out up here. But today I'm just going to show you how to remove the door panel. It's pretty easy. Pull this, take this off. We're also going to remove this little door. Use like a little pick or something to get on top of it and push down and out. Then you have two screws in here and another screw down here. Let's take those off. All right, guys, get yourself a little trim tool like this. Get under here and pop this up. You just got to disconnect the wires. To disconnect the wires, you're going to push down on this little tab and push this out. Okay, so push down on this, push this out, and the wires come right out. Okay, now what you want to do is grab it from the bottom here, someplace. Just pull out. All right, now lift it from the top. Next, you got to remove this, and the way you do that, you just pop it right off. That's it. And the last thing is this light down here. You're just going to twist this counterclockwise, pop it off. All right, guys, to put it back together, we're going to hook up the light first and then snap this in place. Snap this in place. That's what it looks like. Now we're going to hang it from the top first and then snap it in place. Okay, hook up your wire. Just insert it and then flip this over. That locks in place. This wire goes down there. And you're going to insert this thing this side first. And they just... Cover. Pop this on, and you're all done. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.